guys, today we're going to see the Ghostbusters 2016 new Lego set that I got for my birthday a couple days ago. So I hope you enjoy the video. And okay, let's get started, shall we? So these are all the guys. So we have the ghost here. We have the manager. Here is just like the worker and another worker, and here is Kevin. You can see it on his name tag. Okay, then we have a bike for Kevin. And here we have the Ghostbuster car. As you can see, it kind of has four seats. Here you go. And here's the trunk. Put stuff in there. And you can wiggle it and fold it. And then up here is all the equipment. And I hope you guys liked the video. And remember to subscribe and like. Bye.